Welcome to Mittiway's Wolfberry packaging line. As a professional packaging machinery manufacturer, Mittiway presents you a set of packaging solutions specialized in the dried fruit and Chinese herbal medicine fields. Come and witness the efficient, clean, and intelligent automated packaging process. At the beginning of the packaging process, the carton erector automatically forms and seals the bottom of the carton, creating a solid foundation for subsequent bag inserter machine. This step greatly reduces the burden of manual operation. The formed carton is sent to the bag inserter machine, where the equipment automatically opens the liner bag and accurately places it into the box, adapting to the packaging needs of different specifications and realizing efficient convergence. Wolfberry is a kind of material with small particles and lightweight, so we adopt advanced conveying system and filling system to guarantee the smooth flow of material in the whole production line, minimize the damage and maintain the quality of the product. And the filling system is accurate weighing and stable filling to ensure the same weight of the product in each box and no spillage. After the filling is completed, the vacuum sealing system will pump out the excess air inside the bag to prevent oxidation and extend the shelf life. After vacuuming is completed, the inner bag is sealed tightly by the heat sealing system, and the top of the outer box is also sealed automatically, which fully protects the freshness and quality of the product. Packaging completed Wolfberry products neatly stacked, ready for storage or direct delivery. The automated production line not only reduces labor and improves efficiency, but also effectively reduces human error and helps you realize high-quality, large-scale production. With a focus on energy efficiency and durability, our packaging lines are low in energy consumption and easy to maintain, ideally supporting you in achieving sustainable production. From goji berries to other granular materials, we have a customized packaging solution for you. We are ready to work with you to make packaging smarter and more efficient.